In honor of this question, I thought I would give some of my tips for testing anxiety, especially if you are preparing for a USMLE exam. Okay, my first tip is that you want to kind of give yourself some exposure therapy of preparing for the day and making sure your nervous system is going to be regulated by the time you get to the testing center. So, for the week or 2 weeks before you take the exam, every day I want you to close your eyes and imagine the day working out perfectly for you. You know, you get there early, you check in, everyone's super nice to you, you have your favorite breakfast and your coffee is extra delicious. You sit down and the seat is perfect and it's like you have a nice view. The first question that you click on is easy, your breaks go well, and you're done and you see your friends afterwards. Like, the more you can visualize that day going well, the more you'll be looking for that to happen to you on the real day. And I find that that can really help with people just kind of mentally preparing for what the day is going to look like for them. The second thing I have to say has to do with your practice NBME exam. So I find a lot of students have a trouble when they're taking practice NBMEs because they're worried about what their score will mean, whether they're sitting for the exam, not sitting for the exam. They're just worried about the pressure that the NBME puts on them, and they don't often perform their best because of that feeling. So what I tell people to do is have the practice exam open on your computer wherever you're about to take the exam, and right before you hit start, stop and do a 5-minute meditation in the place that you are about to take that exam. And the reason that I have you do that is because I find that it's really great to start the exam with a regulated, peaceful nervous system, and also have that reference to tie back to if you start to feel stressed during the exam. So you can think back, okay, an hour ago I was sitting here and I was very, very calm, and tap into that and kind of connect to it. And it's a really good kind of mind technique when you're on the real practice exam to tap back into that. So I hope those two things help. Testing anxiety is very normal and a lot of people get it, especially with USMLEs. So I think having tools to combat it can really help you on the real test day. I hope that helps.